It is a complete course project. Please learn them in order. This is part 1, sequence and folder setup. Okay. Before we start tracking, you need to set the folder information, and then we want to set up our image sequence. So before that, you want to download this WinRAR file. So the link in the description box, please go over there and download. So now I want to extract this one. So right click and choose extract. Okay, it will be extracted. So I will go inside. So go inside your Matchmove folder. So see here, here you have Boujou version 5.0 and Xn view. So if you didn't have Boujou original version, please install this one. It will be available with crack. So an Xn view. So this one is very important for our tracking, and then you want to Xn view is used for convert sequence image. So you want to install this both things. So if you want to know how to install this one, here we have installation instruction video. So after you download, you got all this. So here is our tracking footage. So before we want to convert this footage, so you want to set our project folder. It's really important because Matchmove is a huge process. So go to my destination folder. So in this case I will choose my D drive as destination folder. I will create new folder. Here I want to choose my folder name of introduction to Matchmove. So and then go inside over here. So here you need to set 2 folder. So create new folder. I want to choose input, so I will choose in, and create another folder and go to and rename as mid. So in input you want to set all your footage files. So I will go in inside and create new folder. So here you need to set two folders. One is original underscore footage. So create another new folder. Here this one is the color underscore footage. So here you want to render the original footage for our Maya purpose. Here you need to render the color footage for our Boujou tracking purpose. So go to outside, so go to mid folder. Here you need to set two folder. One thing is Boujou. So here you need to save all your Boujou files. So another one is Maya. So don't create over here. So open your Maya. So I will open my Maya. Okay, so create Maya folder through project settings in Maya. So go to file and choose project window and create new folder, new file over here. So I will choose my location. So in my computer D drive and choose introduction to Matchmove in mid folder. So I want to select my mid folder and choose select. So it will automatically set my destination folder of introduction to Matchmove in mid. So I want to rename my project name of Maya and create accept. So that means when you go in your introduction to Matchmove mid, it will be create our Maya folder. So like this. Now we got basic folder setup over here. Next we want to convert our footage. So I will open my After Effects. So I will import my footage. So it will be available in desktop Matchmove, that footage. So I will import my footage. Go to file, import and choose file and choose footage over here and click open. So see here it will be shows our information. So create new composition. Here you want to choose preset of HD DV 25 because my camera isn't shooted with 25 fps. So I will choose HD TV 1080 25 frame per second. So here you want to give 15 seconds something. So I will give duration up to 15 seconds and click OK. So you want to double check your frame rate is 25 or not. Okay. So now I want to drag my footage and drag to downside. So see here the footage is ends with 13 point something. So I want only 8 seconds of my animation because it takes up to 200 frames. So in my case it's 25 fps. See here, that means 1 second equal to 25 frames. So that means I have only 8 second animation over here. That means you got 200 frames over there. So I will end up with 8. So you want to go 8 seconds. So you want to drag this one all the way this way. You want to drag your end area up to 8 seconds over here. So right click and choose trim count to work area. So that means you have only 8 seconds over here. So now you want to convert this one. So see here it will not go up to 8. So go to composition and choose composition settings. So here you need to give 8 seconds. only duration 8 seconds, and click OK. So now I want to convert this footage. Go to composition and choose add to render queue and choose lossless. So and choose JPEG sequence. So because you want to sequence, we want to track in Boujou, and we want to use that footage in Maya. So I will choose my JPEG sequence and click OK. So click here and go to your D drive and choose introduction to Matchmove. Go to input folder and choose original footage. So here you want to rename intro, so underscore to underscore Matchmove underscore. So this one is the original, so I will give org underscore as like this and give save and click render. Okay, so now you want to check in your destination folder. So I will go my introduction to Matchmove input. So you want to go original footage. So you got up to 0 to 199. So that means you got up to 200 frames. So it will calculate up from 0. So we want to convert this in XN view as it start from 1 to 200. So before that you want to convert color footage also. So I will close this one. So the original footage is for our final comp and Maya purpose. So the color footage is for our tracking purpose. So it's totally different. So I will select this footage and go to FX and go to color correction and choose brightness contrast. Here you want to increase the contrast level to high because it will have high contrast to track our footage easily in Boujou. So I will increase our contrast. So don't bother about this color darkness over here. So in final we will use our original footage. So the color footage is only for our tracking purpose. So don't worry about the darkness of our footage. So you will give a little bit of contrast and go to and select this footage again. Go to FX and give blur and sharpen and give fast blur. So here you want to give at least one blur. So I will click this blurriness and give one blur. So that means, so I will zoom in this one using Ctrl plus. So see here I didn't have blur means, so I will give blur value 0. So it will be pixelated somewhere, so your tracking information will not give accurate. So I will give blurriness to 1 means, so see here you got lot of accuracy over here. So why I will use blurriness to 1. Okay, so don't worry about this footage, though it's only for our Boujou tracking purpose. So we will use in final, we will use our original footage. So now I want to convert this as color footage. Go to go to composition and choose add to render queue. So and click this lossless and choose JPEG sequence and click OK. So click on this one, go to your input folder, go to color footage. So here you want to rename as, so same thing, intro underscore to underscore Matchmove underscore. So this one is the color, so I will rename this as a CLR, intro to Matchmove underscore color CLR. So and give save, don't backspace this one, so because it will start from 0001, so like that. So we'll use like this and click save and click render. Okay, it's rendered perfectly. So go to your destination folder and check it will be perfect or not. So go to my D drive, introduction to Matchmove. So in inputs, here we have two folders, so I will go inside my color over here, so it will be perfect. So now we want to convert this footage in XN view, because see here it will start from 0000 up to 199, so that means 200 frames. So I want to rename this as 001 up to 200. So right click on this color, go inside color footage, right click on this one on first image and choose open with and choose XN view. So after you got this one and click this one, so browse, so click this one, so that means automatically it will takes our footage over here, so all our similar footage. So press Ctrl A, so that means select all, so it will be select all. So and right click on any image and choose batch rename, so right click and choose batch rename, so and choose new template, so like this. So here you want to rename our footage, so I will rename my footage name of same thing, intro to underscore Matchmove. So here you want to backspace, so now I have 4 digits over here, so like this. So that means it will start from 0001. So in old name, see here it has start from 000 and end up with 0019 over here. So but in new footage, here you will set start value to 1, so that means it will start with 0001 and end up with 200. So this is what we want. So in After Effects we cannot able to set like this, so why we will use XN view to start and end value. So here you want to choose same thing, extension, so I will leave it as it is. So and choose rename like this. So introduction to Matchmove, so and rename underscore, so this one is the color, so I will use color CLR. So and choose underscore like this, so you want to set up like this. So all the name want to set like this and choose rename. So wait until it will convert, so you want to check it will be converted or not. So you also check over here, so see here, it will start from 0001 and end up with 200. So it's perfect. You want to convert that original footage also, so go to original footage. So I will close my action view over here. So go to original footage, so right click on first one and choose open with action view and click on this one, browse. So automatically it browse our continuous sequence image. So press Ctrl A to select all. So it will select all our footage over here. Right click and choose batch rename. So now you want to name same thing, but this one is not color, so this one is the original, so I will rename as org. So it will start from 1. So see here in old name, so it will start up with 0 and end up with 199. So in new name, it will intro to Matchmove underscore original, so it will start from 0001 and end up with 0200. So it will be perfect, and choose rename. So you want to wait until it convert. So see here, it will be converted fully. So like this, I will close this one. So now you want to check in your original footage also. So see here, it will start from 0001 and end up with 0200. So that means we have 200 frames to track our footage. So I will close this one. So that's the end of our folder setup and our footage setup. Click the button to learn part 2 tracking.